Kunming, a pearl in the middle of Yunnan-Guizhou Plateau. The long history has created a profound cultural legacy, a treasure land. Nanqiang Street, dating back to early Qing Dynasty, is one of the two historical and cultural streets in Kunming. When the night falls, all kinds of food begin to release attractive signals. With the evening breeze, the appetite of foodie is activated. A street with irresistible temptation. A century years ago, the Yunnan-Vietnam Railway opened. A taste came along the meter gauge railways and rooted in the hearts of the older generation. No matter how the city changes, this taste can travel through time, come from the remote past, bring back the memory of taste and evoke the story of yesterday. To make a baguette, every step is crucial. Flour meets water and yeast. In the process of kneading dough, it has begun to rise. After the second rise, bubbles gush out on the surface of dough. The dough has risen enough. The weight of cut dough must be accurate. Pre-shape the weighed dough and let it relax for 30 minutes. Finally, fold it over and roll it into a stick. The dough has taken shape. Put it onto the fermented cloth to ferment another 30 minutes. Before putting the dough into the oven, the knife sees the dough off. The little cut will bloom completely after baking. Preheated steam oven gelatinized the crust quickly. The moisture inside is firmly locked. When the wheat aroma overflows and the golden brown crust appears, a baguette is ready. The bread is oval, only palm long, with extremely hard crust. After cutting, the inner is full of pores and fluffy and jiggly. Chewy taste wrapped in crisp crust. The wheat aroma mellow. The more you chew, the better it tastes. Today, when people are missing the pure taste of baguette, more bread with varied grain aromas has been baked in the city of spring. No matter it is soft, crisp, sweet, or salty, square, round, long, or short, the bread has new tastes and meaning. Among the bustling crowd and the diverse business atmosphere, the bread bears the vigor and vitality of the city.